I'm reviewing a book, chapter by chapter, and the book is The Entropy Effect by Vonda McIntyre. And today I'll be talking about the epilogue, and afterward I will be talking about chapter 1 of Dreadnought by Diane, Carey. And here we go. So the entropy effect is just wrapping up the sort of result of Spock having succeeded in stopping the experiment that starts the entropy effect. And everybody just wakes up as though it's a bad dream. Meanwhile, Spock is really going through it. He has time traveled not once, not twice, but 3 times, and is worse for wear because of it, and hasn't slept since the measurements taken at the singularity. So he's been awake this whole time. He's going through the physical rigor of time travel, and he is going through it. So when he comes back, he is bleeding because he suffered a gunshot wound from when Dr. Mardeau shot him in one of the times he traveled backward, and has concussed and is exhausted. And he sees that Kirk is alive and he's elated. Sulu's alive. Not that he was dead before, but Mandala Flynn is alive. Hunter knows nothing about anything, and everybody's Kirk asks Spock, like, hey, what happened? And Spock can't say anything because it's time travel and can't mess with the timelines and stuff. So it's a great, this is a great book. Highly recommend it. And then I started on chapter 1 of this book called Dreadnought by Diane, Carey. It's fine. It starts off from a first-person perspective of a woman doing the Kobayashi Maru, and she gets a very favorable result and gives herself a very embarrassingly high grade. The only thing I will say is when you write in first person, it's odd to include physical details. So she says, I brushed my honey blonde hair out of my face. And that's like an odd thing to think. Like, you wouldn't name the color of your own hair or describe the cut of it, or say that you move too femininely. Like, you're taking in somebody else's thoughts of you as your own. And that was an odd bit. So we'll see how this goes. First person is a tricky thing to write in, especially when the character that they're writing from is not